My name is Robert Brennan, and I'm Director of Open Source here at Fairwinds. I'd like to talk to you a bit today about a recent open source project we released called Polaris. Polaris is a tool for validating and enforcing best practices in your Kubernetes deployments. It uncovers issues related to scalability, reliability, and security, and can help you remediate those issues before they become a problem in production. The most common way to run Polaris is as a dashboard. At the top of the page, we can see a summary of the cluster, including an overall score. Down below, we can see details for each namespace and deployment running inside the cluster. If we want to know more about a given check, we can click the Info button to find additional information. Polaris can also be run on the command line and can audit local files as well as what's running inside your cluster. This can be a great addition to the CI/CD pipeline for your infrastructure as code repository. Finally, Polaris can be installed as a validating webhook inside your cluster. This will prevent any poorly configured deployments from getting into production. Of course, Polaris is fully configurable. You can turn checks on and off, toggle the severity between warning and error levels, and configure the parameters of each check. Polaris is a great way to encode and enforce your organization's standards. And that's it. You can give Polaris a try by visiting github.com/fairwindsops/Polaris. Happy cubing!